Looking for another way to add value to your course and keep your audience engaged? I have a few ways that you can create content and bonuses that you can offer. Okay, so the first one is cheat sheets. So everybody loves cheat sheets. Usually it's quick and easy. It's usually summarizing complex concepts, and most times it's visually appealing. Whenever you create a cheat sheet, you're providing information that they may not normally be able to find quickly. But what you're doing is you're highlighting the key elements, or you're highlighting key takeaways from your course, kind of giving them a taste of what you can offer, but ultimately giving them a solution to a problem as well. This also helps, of course, simplify difficult concepts that may come up in your course. So you can create cheat sheets for everything, for every module, for every lesson. Another one would be to offer exclusive content or offer exclusive resources. This is good because this is just another way to, it's a bonus. Offer resources such as ebooks, webinars, podcasts, anything that's going to be relevant to your course, but also something that they're going to enjoy, something that they can take with them. So valuable information of some sort. This will also help keep your audience or students engaged, not only stay engaged, but deepen their knowledge in the subject, help them learn, which is ultimately the goal that they're looking for and what you're looking for. Another great one is hosting a Q&A session. So this can be on a private group. You can create it where you host it every Monday or host it every Tuesday or sometime during the week. It can be a time where you host it at a certain time and everybody gets on and ask as many questions as they want, and you're able to communicate with them, but also build a relationship with them. This is great because people, love interaction, especially with people with credibility, people that they are looking up to when it comes to whatever subject or niche that they're in. So this will give you an opportunity to show them what you offer, give them a little taste of what you can provide to them, and then the solutions that you can also bring to the table while showing the knowledge that you have about that subject. Another great one is an online community. So you want to keep it probably private, like a Facebook group or a forum where students can interact and exchange experiences, talk to other course creators or talk to other creators within your niche. This is an opportunity to build a relationship as well, because y'all are all discussing the same thing. You all have the same interest, but it's a great way to bring value to your content, because a private group is something that people will absolutely want to join. So you can offer it as a bonus in one of your maybe you're selling a course, then you can offer it as a bonus to buying that course. It's a great option. So the last one that I have is offering personalized feedback. So the way that you can do this is offering personalized feedback that can help your student, your audience grow. This can improve their understanding. This can improve y'all's relationship, building like, know, and trust. And it will show your credibility on the subject matter. You can offer feedback on quizzes, assignments, courses, live events. This is a great bonus because people, one, they have a lot of questions, but when you're getting feedback, you can understand what you need to improve, what works, what doesn't work. And of course, then they can improve themselves as well. And this just builds authority and credibility within your industry. Anything that I spoke about today will absolutely add value to your course creation. But it can also be a bonus. But other bonuses that you can offer are templates, workbooks, checklists, along with ebooks, webinars, cheat sheets. Anything that's done for you, anything that's customizable is a great bonus, and it's a great way to add value. So just choose the one that best fits your course, best fits your audience, and ultimately you want to make sure that as you're doing this, you're tracking which ones work and which ones don't work. But I hope that brought value. I hope that you could implement in your own course creation. If you don't know me, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find it valuable, if you'll just hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.